welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smira's World. Here again. If you're stopping by for the first time, please kindly consider hitting the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. So today, guys, I've extended my search to the mainland. This is the first time house hunting on the mainland, and I'm going to be seeing a house close to Yaba, Onipan Yaba, and I want to see what it looks like. Like, seriously, I've always been looking for apartment on the island, and this period I said to try the mainland. So let's see how that goes. I just met up with the agent that is going to like take me around, so let's get going. So I'm in the street now. This place is somewhere around Onipan, close to Yaba. I chose this area because it is close to the island, and you know, I work on the island, so let's see how this set goes. The agent says it's a new building and all those stuff, but then see the streets. Oh well, if I'm ever gonna live here, no more pictures for me. I made no more cute pictures because the environment isn't looking so pink. But then let's see. So guys, I've been walking for the past 10 minutes. The agent told me that we were taking a shortcut and the house is not far. I've been trekking for almost 10 minutes now, but then let's see how it goes. So that means if we pick the person, we'll still like go to the place. Is it far? I'm already tired of walking though. What's the name of the street?
Jacob.
Jacob. Jacob Street in Onipan.
Here. Around this area. Jacob.
So from that place, if I want to get to the express to go to the island.
Oh, very easy. Just come to the express here. It's not far. Very easy.
So someone can take bike from there to just the express. Or can the person walk?
Yes, anyone.
But it's not this kind of work we have been working since. So this one is far.
No.
Okay.
We'll see when we get there.
Okay, sir. See this fine building. I bet it's full. It's filled up already, so they've all taken it. So we just got here to like pick somebody, and the person is not around. Guys, after working on that son, oh God. He's trying to call the person now, and I hope the person comes because I'm not gonna try this thing again. No more. Not this small thing, no. Wow. So guys, we've gotten here. Is a well-gated 2-story building somewhere around Onipan. It's close to Yaba, and I heard it's close to the island. So let's go inside and see for ourselves. So this is what the compound looks like, and the house is downstairs. So let's go in. Getting into this place is this big parlor. Wow. Looks big though. And then this place is supposed to be like dining. And then let's check out the kitchen first. So this is the kitchen cabinet. This one's there is a sink, more cabinet. Kitchen is actually sizable. See houses on the mainland, so sizable. Let me show you the rooms. So in the parlor, you will see the visitors' toilets. Imagine, so sizable. Everything I saw on the island was so tiny. And then here is the room section. The first room. And the toilet. Sizable toilet as well. Room. Here is the toilet for this room. Wow, they are just so spacious. But this one just has one ventilation. Let's go to the last one. This is the last room. So basically that is it. So basically this is how the backyard looks. Just normal mainland house, and then you can spread your clothes here and all. It doesn't look bad at all, like literally spacious and all that. And then there is a generator house. According to the man, he said that they've run the wire. You just come and put your generator, and that's it. And then all these places is gonna be the parking space, you know. Wow, looks good though. Wow, that wasn't bad at all. But then the area, I don't know, let's see. Agent also told me it's not very far from the bus stop, and we actually walked it, and this is where the bus stop. Wow, nice. So guys, I couldn't complete that video that day because I had other houses to check, but then for one reason or the other, they were like, the agent is not with the key, the person with the key is not around, and all those things. So I ended up checking just the one you guys saw. I thought about it for a long time because the money I would use to rent a 1-bedroom flat here on the island is actually almost the same or even lesser than the money I was supposed to use to pay for that house. Like, gosh guys, that house was 1 million naira and total package was 1.3 million naira. Like, it was the best package I've ever seen, even though for some reason I didn't like the outlook on the street because the house is not that new. I can't take pictures, don't mind me. That's not the reason for not taking that place. I had to do more research on light, on security and all that. I mean, it's the first time I'm going to be staying on the mainland, so if I'm ever going to try that, I should make more inquiries about the place because I needed the space. Just imagine getting a 3-bedroom flat. Like, even if I want to do Airbnb or anything, like, I have rooms and I have spaces to do that. But then I made inquiries and all, and I was told that the area is not that good, even though it was actually fantastic because I could trek from the house to the main road, then I'll take a bus straight to the island any day I'm going to work. I don't work every day these days, so I work just once in a week physically, and I do remotely other days. So it was one of the best deal I've gotten so far. But then I had to like make inquiries, I had to think about it, and at the end of the day I just decided that it's not something I could go for. I was told that that part of Onipanu, they used to fight there. That was in the past, like they told me. But then what if it reoccurs? Like, I'm not sure, and I'm not gonna like risk anything, you know. I mean, this period is not actually advisable to risk things. If I have heard that there is something happening or something that had happened in the past, then what's the need trying to like risk my life because I want a spacious house, and so I decided to continue the search and probably just focus on looking for houses here on the island because I don't know if I have what it takes to start going from. Okay, I actually thought of staying in Yaba because I know that Yaba is very cool, safe, and there are so many tech people there like me, and it's safe. There are schools there, students stay there, the light is good, security is okay. But then I wasn't seeing what I wanted in Yaba, and most of the houses I saw were way very old. So I decided to okay, where are places close to Yaba such as the Onipmanu? But then I saw this fantastic place and they told me the stories they had to tell me. And as much as I feel bad, I didn't take that place, even though it's not everything I wanted. It's not new, the area and all, but man, the money. Trying to save this 2022, like there's no time to waste money. But then apparently it feels like I'm going to still spend more, like way more, trying to stay on the island. And basically that will be it. I'm just gonna like continue my search. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about apartment tour in Lagos, Nigeria. Like, it's been, I don't know, staying in Lagos for like 4 years, getting to 5 years. I'm looking for apartment every year. Like, I don't know if this work for me, whatever. But then I've been entering from one issue to another. Is either I finally rent a place I like and they tell me, oh sorry, I cannot return it. Sorry if you're hearing honking, there's first scarcity in Nigeria and everybody is queuing up to get food. Now they are shouting, making noise and honking. It's not usual, but anyways, what can we do? Let me not digress. Leave your thoughts below. Tell me what you think about apartment tour here in Lagos, Nigeria. Let me know if you want to see more apartment tour. I'm getting frustrated looking for apartment, but there's no way to give up. So I guess I'll have to leave you now. If you love this video, then do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in my next one. And until then, bye.